This is a quick demo of my favorite wireless microphone from Hollyland. Lark 150. I have been using this microphone for my Amazon live streaming for the past almost 5 months now. And I'm really happy with the functionalities and the sound qualities. I basically use it every single day, whether I'm sitting here or in the other room. So there are a few unique features I want to talk about. Let's go through these functions here. So first of all, there's a charging case, and itself can be recharged using the USB Type-C cable here. And when you open it up, you will see the mixer in the middle, and you get two transmitters. I'm using one here clipped on my shirt, and the second one is stored here. If I do a quick switch, if that one runs out of battery life, I can quickly switch over to this one, no problem at all. I'm recording in the mono mode, by the way, and you can always quickly switch to the stereo mode, placing these two here, and do the toggle. Let me try that in the stereo mode. Let's try the stereo mode real quick. All right, this is the stereo mode. Let's try this. Hopefully you can hear it from left to right. Okay, I just switched back to the mono mode. So if one of these transmitters goes back to the charging dock, it starts charging, and I have the mixer connected to the Sony camera directly using the 3.5 millimeter cable. And this is what the mixer looks like, which is connected directly to the Sony camera using the 3.5 millimeter jack. And speaking of battery life, which is phenomenal, you will get up to 5 hours sometimes. I only do up to 3 hours live streaming, which is a lot, but I usually have 1 bar left. So the battery life is never a concern for me, especially considering you can do quick switch over. I love this one. I love it. I think I'm gonna get another set, because I hate carrying this thing around. Once I lose it, well, I will have no backup. So I used to use the Shure microphone here, the Shure MV7, but now I use the Lark 150, the wireless solution, exclusively because of its convenience. I'm not tethered to the desk anymore. I can go anywhere I want. So yeah, such a nice feature. So maybe next time I'll talk about the Mars 400, the transmitter. This is another wonderful product from Hollyland, but that's for next time. You don't have the charging option on the unit. You have to always put them back in the case. And the case features a USB Type-C port in the back.